Hey there, tech lovers. Welcome back to West LA Computer Expert, where we bring you the best of the tech scene in sunny West LA. In our last episode, we introduced you to Silicon Beach, the tech paradise by the ocean. But today, we're diving deeper into the history of this innovative playground. So, buckle up and get ready for a trip down memory lane. This is the story of Silicon Beach. It's hard to believe, but the roots of Silicon Beach can be traced back almost a century to the early days of the aerospace industry. That's right, folks. West LA love affair with technology started long before hashtags and smartphones. From the founding of the Jet Propulsion Laboratory to the explosive growth of aerospace during World War II, Southern California was a hotbed of innovation. But as we all know, the tech scene is nothing if not adaptable. Enter the digital revolution of the 80s and 90s. Silicon Beach's transformation began with the rise of video game companies, digital studios, and internet pioneers right here in our backyard. With companies like Activision, Electronic Arts, and GeoCities calling West LA home, it was only a matter of time before the area started buzzing with digital creativity. Fast forward to the late 2000s, and the term Silicon Beach was born. As Bay Area costs soared, LA's sunny shores and laid-back vibes began attracting tech giants in search of new horizons. When Google set up camp in Venice in 2011, it was like a bat signal to the tech world. Come to Silicon Beach, the water's fine. And boy, did they come. As startups sprouted like palm trees in the SoCal sun, venture capital firms and accelerators soon followed. Companies like Snapchat, Hulu, and Dollar Shave Club all found their footing on the sands of Silicon Beach. But what sets Silicon Beach apart from its valley cousin? Two words: Hollywood connection. Our very own blend of tech and entertainment has given birth to a new generation of companies like Netflix, Amazon Studios, and YouTube Space LA. So there you have it, folks, the fascinating history of Silicon Beach. From aerospace marvels to digital wonders, West LA has been a cradle of innovation for decades. And with the vibrant startup scene and unique entertainment connections, Silicon Beach is now the ultimate playground for techies and creatives alike. If you enjoyed this blast from the past, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow history buffs. Don't forget to subscribe to West LA Computer Expert for more awesome content, and let us know in the comments below which part of Silicon Beach's history you find most fascinating. Until next time, keep exploring the tech world, and remember, the future is always brighter in Silicon Beach.